Hi everybody, hope you're safe and well. This is just an unboxing video of a purchase I've just made, which hopefully is going to improve my productivity and also prevent injury. So let's take a look. Right guys, it's not something I normally do. He says, getting out his slip joint folding knife that he's made, just to show off. I don't normally do unboxing videos like this, but I thought it'd just be something a bit different to do. I have reviewed kit in the past, and it's something I want to get back into doing again. Now this purchase obviously was made because I cut my head quite badly. And I just, I don't know, a bit of a wake-up call really. So I just thought it was advisable to buy something that was going to be a bit decent. So I went ahead and bought this Vise. So, yeah, I shan't waffle too much. Enjoy the video. Just want to say before we go much further that I'm not sponsored in any way regarding to this purchase, and I bought this with my own money. I have other items I've purchased from the same company, but that's because I think they're reasonably priced, and to be honest with you, they're good quality. So there you go. I tend to find that the delivery on this is fantastically quick as well. Like you will order on one day, and it's coming from Turkey, bear in mind, and I normally get it the next day, which is ridiculous. So there we are. Right, let's get all this rubbish out of the way, and we can have a proper look at it. Right, so in the box we have some stickers, a few loveless bolts, so I'm assuming that's just to try out, a little thank you letter, and obviously the bolts to mount this to the table because it needs to be mounted. But yeah, initial impressions, it's really good and heavy, very heavy. So let's have a look at some of its features. You have your mounting holes, which are clearly marked front and rear. Right, so let's get straight to the crux of it. What's this meant to do? You've got nylon pieces here that hold or clamp the knife, and you just tighten them in with these two little screws. And surprisingly quickly, you've got a very secure fit. You can spin the thing around 360 degrees for any easy access you want. And by moving this lever at the back here, that releases a tube so that you can now rotate 360. So it's a very clever little bit of kit. And I can imagine this is going to be extremely helpful for me when I'm sanding down all of my my handles, etc. Another little neat feature which I was quite excited about is the ability for this to do that. I mean, you have to bear in mind I'm having to hold it in my hand because it's not bolted down. But you can actually mount the blade horizontally across the top. So if you're doing file work on spines, well, just lots of stuff, it's going to be really easy. This, to be honest with you, is probably one of my favourite features I saw, and was what kind of pushed me to the tipping point, if you like, about purchasing it. Just a really cool idea. So you can adjust it in every axis. There's one axis you can adjust with, and it grips really well, so it tightens very easily. And as you can see, by undoing this one, you can adjust it on this axis. And as you can see how easily it's moving around, bearings and everything on this are all pretty good. Very free-flowing. We'll have to see how this holds up when you've had a few knives in there and had some, some metal filings going and everything. Is it going to still perform as well? Who knows? But I shall be doing a look on that and see. And here we go, I'm just showing you a bit, kind of getting my eye in with this now a bit quicker now. So you can see how sturdily it holds it all. Again, with the nylon, you're going to have to be careful with not marking the blade. I should imagine over time you're going to get a little bits of metal impregnated in that, but that's just going to be precautionary stuff, so it should be good. So you lift this there like that to adjust the tube to any kind of angle you want. and then you just press it down again. When you set your angle to the position you want, you press down again, and that locks it in place, nice and solid. Oh, and what a nice touch, look, my logo on the side. So there you go, guys, that's the just the unboxing of this this knife vise. First impressions, yeah, what surprised me is the weight. I didn't realise it was going to be this heavy, which is a good thing. Very sturdily made, and I love all this. This is just going to make my life so much easier. I'll read out some more in the instructions if there is any, and the next video we'll put it in practice. I'll use it for a while, and then I'll post a video up on my thoughts about it. But I already think that it's going to be quite a good thing for me. I mean, look at that, how quick is that? 2 seconds, and that's secured in the vise. I can do what I want, you know, so I like that. So there we are. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that little quick unboxing video, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.